Welcome to our YouTube video highlighting the importance of safety glasses. In this video, we will discuss why safety glasses are crucial for protecting your eyes in various situations. Whether you're working on a DIY project, participating in sports, or engaging in any activity with potential eye hazards, wearing safety glasses can prevent serious eye injuries. Let's explore the importance of safety glasses and how they can safeguard your vision. Preventing eye injuries. One of the main reasons to wear safety glasses is to prevent eye injuries. The eyes are delicate and vulnerable to various hazards such as flying debris, dust, chemicals, or projectiles. Safety glasses act as a protective barrier, shielding your eyes from potential harm and reducing the risk of eye-related accidents. Workplace safety. Safety glasses are a crucial component of personal protective equipment, PPE, in many work environments. Industries such as construction, manufacturing, carpentry, and laboratories expose workers to potential eye hazards. Wearing safety glasses is mandatory in such settings to comply with safety regulations and prevent workplace injuries. DIY and home projects. Engaging in do-it-yourself, DIY, projects around the house can also pose eye hazards. Activities such as woodworking, painting, using power tools, or gardening can generate debris, splashes, or dust particles that could injure your eyes. Wearing safety glasses during these activities ensures your eyes are protected, even during seemingly simple tasks. Sports and recreational activities. Sports and recreational activities, particularly those involving fast-moving objects or physical contact, carry a risk of eye injuries. Activities such as cycling, basketball, racket sports, or skiing can result in accidental eye contact, impacts, or foreign objects entering the eyes. Wearing sport-specific safety glasses or goggles designed for impact resistance is essential to safeguard your eyes during these activities. Chemical and dust exposure. Working with chemicals or in environments with airborne particles, such as construction sites or laboratories, exposes your eyes to potential damage. Chemical splashes or dust particles can cause severe eye irritation, burns, or long-term damage. Wearing safety glasses with side shields or goggles with proper seals provides a barrier against such hazards, preventing eye contact with harmful substances. Protecting against UV radiation. Safety glasses can also provide protection against harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can contribute to cataracts, macular degeneration, and other eye conditions. Look for safety glasses with UV protection or tinted lenses to shield your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. Types of safety glasses such as clear safety glasses for general eye protection, tinted safety glasses for outdoor activities, and goggles for more comprehensive coverage. Reiterate the significance of wearing safety glasses in various situations to protect the eyes from injuries and potential long-term damage, both at work and during recreational activities, by wearing appropriate safety glasses and setting a positive example for others. Safety glasses are a crucial investment for anyone involved in activities with potential eye hazards. By wearing safety glasses, you prioritize the protection of your eyes and reduce the risk of serious eye injuries. Whether at work, during DIY projects, or engaging in sports and recreational activities, make safety glasses a habit to ensure the long-term health and well-being of your eyes. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize your eye safety by wearing appropriate safety glasses for every applicable situation. Stay safe and protect your vision.